guys, did you know creating a realistic modak with AI can be this simple? I'll show you step by step how I transformed a plain sketch using Adobe Illustrator into a premium eye-catching Mawa modak design in just few minutes using Adobe Firefly. So first I started with the simple outline of the modak and then I gave it a detailing texture and then I saved it as PNG. Okay, now let's move to Firefly and I gave a prompt to create a realistic modak and then we will start creating the background. So first I'll generate a realistic modak. Okay, this white doesn't look so real and it's not as appealing when you are seeing this creator. So I'll just change the color and I'll make a Mawa modak made of kesar, which is yellow color. This color is appealing, it's real because the corset texture is evident. But I want a big bowl, so now I'll tweak the prompt again. Okay, again this is too bright, too shiny and no sweets. No modak looks so shiny and so bright. So I'll just reduce and then I'll upload my and I'll upload my composition as reference, which is a sketch I created, and then I'll add these tweaks. Okay, so now let's just save these images. So I have to forget. And okay, this is perfect, I guess. All these images, they look perfect. Just that I need to get it in perfect shape the way I use. I'll just change the aspect ratio maybe. There you go. So this is perfect, I guess. Just the shadows and the background I need to change, but I can use BG remover on Canva or anything and then get it done. Okay, now I'll create the background. I mean, this is ready. Now I'll create a realistic background for the modak. Okay, now let's just write the prompt. You can tweak it according to your requirements. This looks so cool, so realistic, natural light, natural shadows. But the problem is that I need a close-up of the table. Not the entire image should be blurred. Okay, the first one is good, but again, this table doesn't look so premium. It's not giving a premium feel, you know. So I'm gonna again tweak it until I get the one I'm searching for. So guys, for the background I haven't created any sketch because the thing is there's no need to do that. There's no medium or nothing perfect ratio or something I'm looking for. I wanted a modak and hence I created a sketch just for that. This thing I can just tweak the prompts and get the perfect one, perfect fit for my modak. Okay, so this is it, guys. I'm gonna use one of these because I need to check which background fits perfectly with orange, with yellow modak. I don't want it to be too overpowering. So if you like this, please do subscribe, follow, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.